Hello students, good morning all. I Satyapal sir today bring a new topic for you and I hope you understand this after this video. It is a very new topic and very interesting topic, and this topic is also help you perform reactions in science, especially in chemistry. So today we discuss the topic, and the topic is reactivity series of metals. Reactivity series of metals. So today I am going to explain the simplest way, or we can say the world's simplest way, how to learn the reactivity series within a second. Within a second means बहुत जल्दी आप एक बार अगर ढंग से कंसंट्रेशन के साथ अगर आप इसको समझ लेंगे तो फिर आप कभी भी इसको भूल नहीं पाएंगे. इन फ्यूचर यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट इट. सो हियर वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर कि सर व्हाई वी विल learn this, what is the advantage of learning this reactivity series. So students, I am going to tell you this thing also. Whenever we doing any chemical reaction or writing any answer related to this chemical reactions, if we know the reactivity series, we will easily learn or we will easily perform any reaction. So to improve your knowledge or science, this reactivity series plays an important role. So let us discuss this reactivity series. Reactivity series. What is reactivity series? Reactivity series is arrangement of metals. Arrangement of metals in a series from top to bottom in decreasing order, in which most reactive metal placed at the top of the series and least reactive metal is placed at the bottom of the series. Like this, at the top most reactive metal, at the base least reactive metal. I am going to show you the reactivity series here. See here, these are the metals which are arranged according to their reactivity series from top to bottom in this way. At top, the most reactive metal is potassium. At the base, the least reactive metal is platinum. So students, how we learn the arrangement or these numbers, which metal is placed at which number? If you want to know this, then you listen and view this video carefully. Here the first potassium, and the symbol of potassium is K. Sodium, the symbol of sodium is Na. We earlier in our videos we also discussed how we write the symbol. The first letter is always capital and the small letter is always small. So in this way we write the chemical formulas also, symbols also, how we write the symbols. If single letter is there, then we write capital. If two letters are there, then first letter is capital and second letter is small always. So here we discuss about the reactivity series. So students, like first here potassium and the symbol of potassium is K, but we have to write the first letter of this potassium P. Here P, first letter P we write here. Second letter, sodium is the second metal and its first letter is S. कैल्शियम, कैल्शियम का हमने ले लिया Ca, मैग्नीशियम का Ma, एल्यूमिनियम का A, जिंक का Z, आयरन का I, टिन का T, लेड का L, हाइड्रोजन का H, कॉपर का Cu, मरकरी का M, सिल्वर का S, and G from gold and P from platinum, Pd from platinum. In this way we write these first letters of the names of different planets. Why we took these? Students, we take these to make a formula, and with that formula we learn the reactivity series within a second. So I am going to show you that. See carefully, observe it and learn within a second. The formula is, जैसे कि हमने मान लो यहाँ पर लिख लिया P, तो P से हमने कोई वर्ड बना लिया, S का हमने कोई वर्ड बना लिया, Ca का वर्ड बना लिया. In this way we make a new sentence to learn these all reactivity series in a arrangement, according to this arrangement, and that formula is, see here students, and the formula is this. public P से हमने ले लिया पब्लिक, पोटेशियम, P मीन्स पोटेशियम. स्कूल का हमने ले लिया S, सोडियम. का से हमने ले लिया कैल्शियम. मास्टर से हमने ले लिया Ma. तो क्या बन गया ये? पब्लिक स्कूल का मास्टर. सेकंड, इसके बाद हम लेते हैं अजीत को हमने ले लिया 4 लेटर्स मिला के AZIT, अजीत, जिसमें से A क्या है? A इज़ फॉर एल्यूमिनियम, Z फॉर जिंक, I फॉर आयरन, T फॉर tin. So these 4 letters combine and make a formula also, Ajit. Now what is the formula here? Public school का master Ajit. The next word is लोहा, LH को combine करके हमने बना दिया लोहा. L means lead and H means hydrogen. Then we write here too also we learn this lead and hydrogen. Now the formula becomes public school का master Ajit लोहा. The word here key, we has adjust this word key because it is not used. After that कार को ले लिया हमने कॉपर. में से हो गया मरकरी. से हो गया सिल्वर. गिर से हो गया गोल्ड. पड़ा से होगा प्लेटिनम. So in this way we make the formula public school का मास्टर अजीत लोहे की कार में से गिर पड़ा. And in this way we learn the whole formula in a very easy way. See here, again I am showing you. पब्लिक स्कूल का मास्टर अजीत लोहे की कार में से गिर पड़ा. In this way we learn this reactivity series in a very simple way. I hope you understand this. If you seen this simple method, then you learn easily this reactivity series. Now we discuss about the advantage. What is the advantage of this reactivity series? See here beta, first reaction is, we see the reaction here like copper sulfate. When this copper sulfate solution, in this copper sulfate solution when we put iron, जब हम इसमें आयरन डाल देते हैं, the solution क्या है? copper solution क्या है? copper sulfate solution blue in color. But when we put iron in it, then after some time this iron displaces copper from its solution and becomes iron sulfate, and the color also change from blue to green, and copper is removed from this solution. It means how this reaction takes place. देखिए, अगर हमें पता है तो हम कितने आसानी से इसको देख सकते हैं. See here again, iron and copper. If we know the position of this iron and copper in reactivity series, then we easily find out whether this reaction takes place or not. See how? See here, iron is at position 7 and copper is position at 11. So from this reactivity series we know iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. So from here we understand iron is more reactive, that's why it displaces copper from its solution and make iron sulfate, and the color of the solution also change from blue to green. In this way, within a seconds we perform any reaction on the basis of reactivity series. If we know which one is more reactive, then we easily perform. Here iron is more reactive than copper, then this reaction takes place. If by chance the formula is this, means solution hota iron sulfate. If we put copper in this iron sulfate, then what happen? Here we know copper is less reactive. Copper is less reactive than iron. It means this reaction not takes place because copper is not able to displace iron. Copper is less reactive here. In this way we perform the reactions. Other reactions also, see here, copper sulfate zinc. Here we know zinc is more reactive. Zinc is more reactive than copper. So this reaction takes place, and what happened? Zinc sulfate plus copper comes outside. Now we observe another reaction here. Copper sulfate and gold. When we put gold in copper sulfate, then what happen? Here we know gold is less reactive than copper. So this reaction is also not takes place. Now students, I hope you understand it in a very easy way how we learn the reactivity series. If we learn this formula, पब्लिक स्कूल का मास्टर अजीत लोहे की कार में से गिर पड़ा. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये याद करना है, इसकी जगह पर दूसरा कोई और फार्मूला नहीं लगाना है. जैसे कि कोई अगर बच्चा अगर ये कह देता है पब्लिक स्कूल का मास्टर अजीत लोहे की कार में से लुढ़क गया, तो सारा गलत हो जाएगा बेटा. हमें क्या याद करना है? एक सिंपल सेंटेंस याद करना है. पब्लिक स्कूल का मास्टर अजीत लोहे की कार में से गिर पड़ा. एंड with the help of these first letters we learn the name of different elements or metals, and in this way we learn the whole reactivity series. So friends, I hope you understand and learn the reactivity series in a very simple way, and it also help to improve your studies definitely. So students, if you like my video, so please send to other students also to improve them. Thanks for watching my video and wait for new video. Thank you. Bye.